Pilots set to fly, goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots arm your quads. Live on the tilt, less than 5. There's a go tone, it's going to be a speed.
There you go, yeah, let's go!
We're going to go to match number 13. And now your top qualifiers get a little scary. We'll have the advantage. If he doesn't,
Faster means you have more room to break. And
They have portfolios, they have displays, they've done marketing outlines, 3D printing, they have given their teams a guide for who needs to be the pilot, who needs to be the pit crew, all of those outlines, and we are walking around to kind of just survey those and critique them a little bit. We have a judging sheet that we're going to take advantage of later, and the teams are going to get some practice in. They're going to do FPV head-to-head racing. They're going to be doing capture the flag racing, line of sight. It's going to be such an exciting day. Getting ready for finals tomorrow.
that was something. That was pretty good. I'm not sure if we can get this down. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a few seconds.
But we just need a few more chances, and I think we'll get in first place.
We've got middle school over here, high school over here. It's very intense racing. It's anyone's race right now, so pay attention. Let's see who's going to win.
As we put PIC onto the final lap. One to go. Pass. Issues again for Seaward Eagles.
There you go, yeah, let's go!
And down go the Flying Pythons. We're working on lap number 4, the final lap of this race. If he's able to hold off Flying Pythons, they're 8.7 seconds apart. And there is your champion, a drones in school middle school division, 6 Degree Drone Racing, and Alex DeAndre.
It's really fantastic to see just how passionate and excited these students are, but also how professional it is. I've been really impressed by the level of manufacturing, ingenuity, and then the skills for racing that I'm really optimistic that this work is going to bring us a whole new class of pilots and engineers in a very short term.
It's now just half a gate ahead of that Skybridge section, and now it's still a tight one. And we're on the final lap. It's a race to our checker gate, and by 0.3 of a second pending DVR review, Hog Flyers getting the win.
Three, two, one.
Half of success in life is just not giving up, right? Just keep on working, keep on trying, say, you know what? I can do it.